Hello, today I'm going to show you how to assemble a sea and luggage box, brilliant black 300 liters, on a Audi A1 sports bag. As you can see, I have already installed the carrier unit. Now it's time for some vacation trip, and we need a ski and luggage box for this. And there it is, the ski and luggage box. First step is open it. There it is. Let's open it by using the key, then lift it up to the side where you are. Now prepare it a little bit, because you have 3 securing tapes or straps for it. These securing straps will secure your load. That means before we are assemble the box itself, we have to prepare it a little bit. On the bottom side, there are two loops for this, made out of metal, and at these 2 loops we have to get this tape inside. At the end of the tape, you have a speed up lock, and then we are going to get it in one piece. There it is. Lift it now a little bit, and there it is. In this thing, you have to secure later your skis, your snowboards, and other things. This you have to do 3 times. I only show you one of this. After this, close your box again. Good job. And now we have to put it on the top of your vehicle. That means we have to look and lift it up. It is important to do this in one smooth step. Now, as you can see, it is in the line. Good job. There it is. We have nearly installed it. That means we have the ski and luggage box, and we have on the bottom side some safety quick acting fasteners. And you have to remove, in this case, the antenna first. Good job. There it is. The antenna will be broken if you let it install. So let's have a look for the 4 quick acting fasteners. And now it is a little bit balanced now. That's good. We are having to balance it, because if you not balance it before, maybe it could be dropped. That is not good, because it's really expensive. All of this, the car is expensive, the box is expensive, everything is expensive. So we have to do this in a good shape. So let's do it. Let's go to the quick acting fasteners and rotating them left turn. Now the fasteners are opened. It's like a clamp under it. Here you can see I'm rotating left turn one of the fastener, and the clamp is going to be opened. This open thing will get under your carrier unit rail, and this will lock your box on top of the carrier unit. The fasteners, if they are opened, you can adjust the front side, the back side, and so you can go and bring it in one line with your carrier unit rail. As you can see, job's done. Good. Every time have a security look before you will assemble it. So there it is. Good job. So let's go. The ski and luggage box is equipped with sliding fasteners as shown, which allows the box to be fitted without the need of any tool. Open the ski and luggage box by rotating it left turn. Turn the hand wheel on the fastener as far as it will go in the anti-clockwise direction. Then position the ski and luggage box on the roof bars in the direction of travel. That is important too. Center the ski and luggage box as much as possible in the direction of travel. Take care there are identical overhangs to the front and rear of the roof bar. Nice. Everything now is good. Then let's go. Slide the fastener to they are all positioned centrally on the roof bars, and then turn the hand wheel on the fasteners in a clockwise direction by your hand until there is an audible clicking sound. That is a torch sound. The fasteners catch are closed now. Check that the fasteners catches are in the correct installation position. That means if you have it locked, you can't handle it anymore. You have to look that the clamp is under the rail. That is easy going, as you can see. And it is important to make a balanced way. The balanced way is in the center side, at the middle of your roof, at the in one direction of the travel. If you are locked everything, then it is in a good shape decision. That means you have to look because of the balance and of the top load. This is important too. And the ski and luggage box distance are 540 millimeters to 376 millimeters to 508 millimeters. This is in case that you have different ski and luggage boxes. That means every ski and luggage box has a little bit other dimensions than the other. But in this case, it is the 1,902 millimeters. Wide is 630 millimeters, and the high is 376 millimeters. And the weight is approx of 14 kilograms. That means now you can adjust them and lock them. Now it's all in the center and it is on the right direction to the front. Take care that the clamps is fully closed between the rails of the carrier unit. This is important thing. You can use it both sides. That means if you have to acting the fastener on the left side, open the left side. If you're acting the right side fasteners, open the right side. Easy going. And now everything is installed. Good job, as you can see. Now you're ready to ride to your vacation location. Oh, easy going. Everything you have to check a little bit. Is everything massive on your roof? Don't overload it. It is important. That means 60 kilograms or 75 kilograms. And then you are ready to go. It is important to get the load, 1/2 load in the center and 1/4 and the backside. Thanks for watching.